2016 to 2022 Chevy Malibu lower control arm replacement. Now the bulge on this control arm is bad and you got some play in it. As you guys can see, got play in it. You guys can hear it, right? Here it is, you can see it moving. It is bad, so I'm going to replace the whole control arm. Let's start by removing those 7mm for the underbody shield. Right, it's all around the undercarriage. So I got just the first 3 bolts off, right, and the underbody shield. Here they are. It's a bunch of 7mm on each side. Just take them out. You can drop it like that so I can access the lower control arm bolt. Let's start by removing this 18mm here and the back of the control arm. And this one too. I forgot to mention that you should put an 18mm wrench in there so that you can get it loose, okay? Alright. Here they are. These 2 of them actually. You need to use the wrench on top to lock it in place. Right? They're both the same size, 18mm. Now let's remove those 2 18mm. They are under the CV axle right here. Right? I'm gonna use my air gun to get it off. Right? Here it is. 2 18mm. The control arm is loose right now. Right? You guys can see it's loose. Now let's remove the bulging bolt. It's a 21mm. I'm gonna use my ratchet and wrench to get it off. Here it is, guys. I got my 21mm. I'm taking it off right now. By the way, guys, I would suggest that you use the vice grip to hold it at the bulging at the bolt so that the bulging stud doesn't spin. Right, so you can hold it in place. That's what I ended up doing because it was spinning freely. It's coming up. It is loose now. Now let's use a power bar to slide this off. There you go, just like that. Alright, here's the new one. That's the part number for it. That's the old one. The ball joint was bad on this one. It's cracking. The new one, I can barely move it. I can barely move that one. Alright. Here is the new one. To put it in, you slide the gray piece in between the subframe. Right? You line it up with the hole so you can bolt it. This end. Now I'm going to put the bolt in. Yeah. Make sure they're lining up before put them on, by the way. So by the way, guys, this car you need to realign it after you do this. Right? Because that affects your alignment. You need to realign the vehicle. And I have the control arm in, all the bolts in. I'm about to tie them down and I'll do the other side. It's the same procedure for the other side. Same procedure, by the way. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.